Welcome to this quick Pixelied walkthrough, the all-in-one online design tool that lets you create stunning visuals in minutes. Whether it's social media posts, product mockups, or AI-generated images, Pixelied makes design effortless, even for beginners. And here's the exciting part. There's a limited-time, lifetime deal available. Right now, you can grab it for just $49 instead of $204. That's a massive 76% off. Click the link in the description to lock in this deal before it's gone. Now, let's explore what Pixelied has to offer. Pixelied's AI image generator turns your text prompts into beautiful, high-quality images in seconds. Just type in your idea, hit generate, and choose from 4 unique AI-generated images, all editable inside Pixelied's built-in editor. No extra software required. To remove a background, Pixelied makes it instant and effortless. Upload your image, click Remove Background, and within seconds you get a clean, transparent background, perfect for product photos, social media, or marketing materials. Want to create professional mockups without Photoshop? Pixelied's mockup generator offers over 2,000 ready-made templates, from t-shirts and packaging to laptops and book covers. Simply upload your design, adjust it, and your mockup is ready to use. Pixelied takes the hassle out of resizing graphics for different social media platforms. With one-click resizing, you can instantly adjust designs for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and more, without starting from scratch. Plus, you get access to thousands of templates, millions of stock images, and hand-drawn illustrations to bring your designs to life. Need to organize your projects or collaborate with a team? With dedicated workspaces, you can manage multiple designs, store brand assets, and invite team members to collaborate seamlessly. No more messy file folders, everything stays in one place. Pixelied's Limitations, honest feedback. Now, while Pixelied is an excellent tool, no software is perfect. Some users have noted that it's mainly designed for digital graphics, so if you need print media design, you might miss certain features, like the ability to define dimensions in inches. One reviewer mentioned, "I need to develop print media often, so I'd buy it again if that feature becomes available." Another user pointed out that deleting projects and managing pages could be more intuitive, suggesting improvements in navigation and ease of use, similar to Canva. That said, if your main focus is website and social media graphics, Pixelied excels. Pixelied is an affordable, feature-packed alternative to Canva. Perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and designers. And right now you can grab lifetime access for just $49 instead of $204. That's 76% off. Click the link in the description to secure this deal before it's gone. If this walkthrough was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tools and deals. Thanks for watching.